So this property is like a sanctuary. Even though it takes a long time to get here with the road, by the time you do, you can kind of breathe a sigh of relief and relax and enjoy. It's a beautiful environment. There's a view from literally every window in this structure as well as the other structures. Cameron really wanted to build with reclaimed materials, and because it was late in the 90s, early 2000s, before kind of the creation of Craigslist, we were able to access and have, there was available resources for a very, very affordable price. It is completely not conventional, you know, from the standpoint of in the winter, when it's 100-mile-an-hour winds and horizontal rain, and you have to run outside across the drive area, parking area, to go use the bathroom with your headlamp on or your flashlight. You know, that, nobody does that, but we do.
All the roofs are connected to an underground network of pipes. We've got about 25,000 plus gallons of storage, and my wife and I only use 800 gallons a month, so we usually have plenty to fight a fire with, which is also one of the considerations building here. You know, privacy is huge. You know, it's nice to be able to go into the shop and make a lot of noise. You know, I do metal work and woodwork, and I don't have neighbors, so I can do whatever I want. We've got a little solar-powered hot tub outside that I love to sit in after a day. We didn't have a lot of financial resources to support the project, but we've always been eco-minded people in everything that we've done.